Hey everybody, it's Roxana and I'm out here in my garden, and this is going to be a real quick how-to video. What I'm doing is I've got some tomato clips I ordered off Amazon, and I will share the link with you down in the description. And I'm basically out here in my garden. I've got some dowel rods. You can buy these dowel rods at any Home Depot or Lowe's, or you can even go to the Dollar Tree, and it just depends on how aggressive you want to buy, what the length is. My length is probably 2 foot, it might even be 3 foot. This we're tying up our Roma tomatoes, and I've even got some different varieties of tomatoes out here. But the key is, this year I'm using these clips that are reusable, and like I said, I'll have all the links down in the description of this video. And we are going to it's a beautiful day out here, it's not hot, and but I've got to get this done, and I'm going to show you how to just stick the dowel rod down, clip on. But there's a few things that you got to do to your tomatoes in order to make this good for the rest of the season. Okay, I'm going to show you real quick how to do this. Okay, first, if you'll see what we're doing here is we have our tomato plant, we have our dowel rod right here, and it's been raining, so I just simply slid the dowel rod down here beside the plant. The tomato, you want to take out any weeds, and I'm tossing them over here. If you see the very bottom down here, you've got all this extra growth, and I'm just taking all that growth and I'm moving it to the side, because this plant is going to get real bushy. It's a Roma tomato, and I'm actually just going to trim all that extra off. I'm even going to take all that off, and you're going to take your little dowel rod. I'm actually going to move it just a little bit closer down in the dirt. See, the dirt is, and you're just going to clip it like that. And the reason that this is so good is because this, you can take it back off. See, I didn't really want it there. This is why I like this. You can take it back off, and you can maybe put it right on that leaf. We're supposed to be getting some more rain, and you can just throw all that off over here. Okay, so that right there is really going to be secure if we get high winds or anything like that. And I'm actually going to see where you can do another one. Okay, take all these weeds off. I'm going to be mulching that real soon, so we don't have any weeds around there coming up. Okay, here's another one. Okay, so you take all of this. You don't need all that, because it's going to get really a lot. And I'm just throwing that in my little bucket, my little trash bucket. See, that looks all nice and clean. I'm actually going to go right up above there. I'm going to take that one off, and that will help it breathe, and then it's secured to your pole. Okay, I've got a lot of plants to go, but I just wanted to kind of show you these right here. Are very inexpensive. They told us, you know, don't say exactly what the cost is, because the cost may be different for other people around. So I'm going to link that. They're very inexpensive, and if you continue to use these, I mean, you can, as the plant grows up the stalk, what you could do is you can use other ones when it gets kind of heavy. But I just wanted to come on here and give you guys this little tidbit of information that I've learned. I know people have been using it. The flowers are already on my tomatoes, so I thought I better get out here and do this right away. And you guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video and get yours ordered and get your tomatoes looking really good and healthy like mine. I want my tomatoes to get really good and healthy. And yeah, just give it a like if you guys are enjoying this. And I'm out here in my greenhouse, and I'm getting ready to cut my lettuce and harvest it. It's harvest season for me right now. And basically, I have got to get some of this. I'm going to just be preparing it for our supper tonight. But then I'm also going to be cleaning it and packaging it for the rest of the week. I don't want to cut all of this because some of this is still growing, but I do have some, like in the next week or so, I'll be harvesting the rest of it and packaging it. I'm going to be getting the bottom part of my bed ready for my sweet potatoes. And so I just didn't know for sure, but I do now have enough room, and I'll be harvesting and getting my bed ready for my sweet potatoes. But I thought I'd bring you in and show you, you just want to gather your leaf at the bottom, and you can just cut it off. And that's one. And I just have a clean bucket over here, and you can just put it right there. Cut another one right here, and then just put it here, and I'll take it out and I'll wash my leaves off really good before I take them in the house. Now, something that you can do, something that I've done in the past, I know some people are like, no, you don't want to do that, but I've done this, and something you might want to think about doing. If you leave this here, it will, and continue to water it, it will grow some more. Your lettuce will continue to grow. You don't have to take the root out. You can. I've done it in a pot outside, and it's continuing to grow. But some people say don't do that. Just let it. Just finish it. I'm going to go ahead and finish this off because I do want to plant something else. So that's what we're going to do from here. I'm going to go ahead and do one more head of lettuce, and then I'm going to keep these going for now. And that's all for now. And these are going to grow probably a little bit. If you see how big they are, they're going to go for a couple more days, and then I will go ahead and take them out and cut them off and wash them. They're going to be very delicious and nutritious. If you let them go for much longer, they become bitter instead of the natural sweetness of the lettuce. Okay, you guys have a great day, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye for now.